So, expression of interest. Ian and Stuart mentioned this earlier. We live and breathe on our membership. You guys make COMIT what it is. And we're always looking for new presentations, presenters, sponsors, venue hosts. So please, if you get a chance, do scan the code. It's a very simple 30-second poll. Shove your name in, shove your email, phone number, and then just say, I'm interested in general volunteering, or I'd like to host a venue, or I'd like to get involved as a speaker. Please do fill in your details, and that gives you a chance to get engaged. Our next event is coming up in October. Central London, we're looking for speakers now for that event. So please do. And if you've anyone you know, it's not just members. If you think, hey, I've met this person elsewhere, say at Digital Construction Week or another event, and you think they'd be ideal to speak, please forward this form onto them. That'd be ideal. So thank you very much. That's your first camera interaction.